In the next chapter of this course, we are going to talk about exceptions and exception handling in Python. So what I want you to do is create a new folder, call it chapter 11. And inside this folder, I want you to create a new file and call it exceptions.py. So before we actually start even writing any line of code, we need to understand what exceptions are. So exceptions basically are Python's way of signaling us that something went wrong during the execution of the program. Now, this might usually occur when, for example, you run your program and it crashes in the terminal, giving an error. So that's exactly what an exception is. Python raises an exception or throws an exception, which is an error that tells us that something went wrong during the execution of our program, and this exception usually gives us the reason, shows us the reason why we had an error and shows us the reason why our program failed. So what exactly then is exception handling, because we had just spoken about exceptions. So exception handling basically allows us, or it's a way that allows us to deal with these exceptions and these errors when they occur, so that it doesn't completely crash the entire program. So we can actually write some code that will check for when an exception occurs or if an exception occurs. So if that exception occurs, we are then going to handle this gracefully. So that will prevent the entire program from crashing or breaking or giving us an error. So I'm going to show you a typical example that might happen when you have an exception. So let's say, for example, we have two numbers. I'm going to create two variables. I'll say num1 is equals to 5, and I'll say num2 is equals to 0. Now, we know that we can't divide any number by 0 because we're going to have an error. And in mathematics, normally, you can't divide any value by 0 because you get undefined. So let's just say, for example, we wanted to say division is equals to num1 divided by num2. So we're essentially trying to say, we're essentially trying to say the 5 divided by 0. And after this, we just want to print out the value by saying division. So I'm just going to bring up my terminal here and show you what happens, to show you the error that we get. So let me just pull it up and I'm going to run this program. So notice what we get. It gives us an error saying zero division error. Now, the reason why we get zero division error because it says division by 0. So this is the reason why we are getting this error. And it actually shows us the line where this error occurs. So it says line 4 in this particular file. So it says line 4 in module. What that basically tells us is it's referring to this line 4. So sometimes you might see like long errors that might be thrown when you're running your Python program. But what you need to do is check through all the error logs and check for the line that it is referencing. Here it's referencing line 4. And it shows us the exception or the error that Python threw, which was zero division error. Now note that it didn't even bother to print out division because the program had essentially failed at this point. So any other line of code that comes after line 4 will not even get executed because this line has failed and crashed the program. So so this is basically what exceptions are. And in a lot of cases, we might want to write some code that will that might crash, and we want to handle that crashing gracefully so that the entire program doesn't just crash and fail. So what we can do is using exception handling, we can actually check to see if this line is going to crash. Now, if it crashes, we are going to just handle that gracefully so that every other line of code that comes after it can actually get executed. So we're essentially going to try to execute the program. If we're going to try and execute a block of code. If the execution fails, we're going to handle that failure in a different block of code and then continue with the execution of other programs. So let's just say we have, for example, 10 lines after this. We can handle this error gracefully in, it's something called try and catch. So I try and accept, in Python. So we're going to try to execute a block of code. If it fails, we're going to handle it inside the except block, and we're going to continue executing the other lines of code that comes after it. So that is basically what exceptions and exception handling are in Python. They basically help us. Exceptions basically tell us that, okay, something went wrong in your code. And exception handling allows us to handle the errors that come up when executing our program. And there's actually a way that we can throw and generate our own custom errors. So we can actually generate and raise our own exceptions in Python. And I'm going to show you how. What we see here was automatically raised by Python itself when we try to run this, but we can actually create our own way of raising exceptions programmatically. And I'll show you how to do this in the following subtopics in this chapter.